Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can reset your Samsung Galaxy S24. Maybe you want to start fresh again, maybe you want to give it away, whatever it is. We will need to go to our settings, go to your general page, and then the first thing you want to do is to go to accounts and backup. And here you want to go to manage accounts. Click on your Google account and say remove account. This is important because when you just reset your phone and you didn't delete your Google account, then you will have to log into that Google account when you want to set up your phone again. And if you want to give it away, you want the other person to be able to log into their own Google account, and they can't do that if you don't remove your Google account here. So remove that, and now go back to General Management, scroll all the way down to Reset. Before resetting your phone, back up your data to Samsung Cloud or an external storage device. You can restore your data after resetting. Now we will say Factory Data Reset. Reset your phone to its factory default settings. This will erase all data, including files and downloaded apps. You also have a few different reset options here: all settings, mobile network settings, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, or accessibility settings. But we want to perform a factory data reset. Click on that, and then it will list the things that will be deleted: Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures, all other user data, service provider apps and content, private key stored in Samsung blockchain key store. All right, so we say reset, delete all, and now it's shutting down. So now we're back at the start and you can set up your phone from scratch again. So that's how you can perform a factory data reset on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.